right, good morning, guys. We switched it up this morning and we blended the CBD in the bulletproof. And we are double stoking. Shout out to all you guys who are leaving comments on that post on Instagram as well. We're giving out this Insta 360 1X camera if you've seen yesterday's video. If not, go check it out, see how you can win that. But we are going to Boreal right now for day 2 of the Danny Davis featured Woodward at Boreal Peace Park setup. That's a whole lot, but let's jump into this day. Should be a sick one. We are stoking. The lemon water is on tap and the dream is in full effect. Bro, we got Critter Flint, bro. What's good? Anthony, how you been, bro? Good. You guys are whipping around in this now or what?
Yeah, this has been home for the last, I don't know, since November.
What? The dream, bro. Oh my gosh.
These guys don't really get to spend as much time as I do, but
yeah, it's all good.
I don't know if you ever met my daughter. This is my daughter.
Hi. Casey. Caitlin. Nice to meet you, Caitlin.
She wasn't at Hood. She was supposed to come to Hood, but she said, I don't want to go.
This summer? You going back?
I don't know, maybe. I think so.
Nice.
We're taking this thing.
Heck yeah. Game changer.
Yeah.
Look at the pup. Oh my gosh. You are something else. Oh my gosh. The cutest thing I've ever seen. Oh my god. Alright guys, just seen a couple legends in the parking lot. The real Critter Flint, who has been supporting for so long, and his son Anthony, which I coached at High Cascade summer camp this past summer. Who is coming to High Cascade this summer and who is coming to Woodward? Don't forget to request your boy and don't forget to snowboard all summer long. You can't be stopping just because winter's over, guys. Looks like they pushed a little 2 or a 3 pack of booters on the main base here, and I obviously got to smash through that before we go over to the Peace Park real quick. And yes, I did set my board up backwards. No, it was not on purpose. First POV warm-up run. See how we do. First run through and the wind is howling kind of right at your face, so the speed is still not there, and it blew a little bit of snow on the course, so it makes it even that much slower. But we're having fun. We're gonna try to find the boys. Dawson's out here somewhere, Kirby's out here somewhere, and we're just gonna do the best we can with what we got. we doing, my G? How you doing?
How are you?
Good, man. All right, there's no service here at the whole mountain, so I don't know where any of the boys are, and I'm not about to just POV GoPro this whole day through that course again, so we're gonna try to find some powder. Woo!
Who are you carrying all those bricks for? God? Is that it? God? Well, I tell you, let me give you a little inside information about God.
Oh! Alright, I'm calling it a wrap on today. It is just flat light and cold, and I just want to give an actual birthday shout out right now to David Mazzara. Happy 30th birthday, brother. You're here right now. Your girlfriend Meg's a legend. Hope you guys are having a good day. Hope you have a good birthday when you see this dude. We're gonna go get some food right now. Dawson's claiming Woodward has some actual good grub. What's the claim, Dawson?
Your quinoa power bowl, your coconut curd.
Yeah?
How we doing?
How we doing? What you doing?
Teaching skateboarding here.
Really? A little Grom action?
Gotta love it. We got this. One push, you got it. Yeah! Good job. But the trucks are too loose, huh?
I didn't get a quick follow camera. You one lap.
All right, let's do this.
Heads up, heads up. Oh my God! You almost died. Wow. The kid's on fire. Oh.
So clean.
Pretty. Enjoy your day. Yes. All right, we're out of here. Next mission is to find a wetsuit. All right, I just went to 2 outdoor sports and not a chance. They're telling me that you won't get a wetsuit around here, especially a 5'4", from as far as Sacramento is probably the closest one. So we are not giving up because we don't give up, but we got to drive to Tahoe City now, and then maybe Kings Beach, and just keep this hunt going. We're finding a 5'4". Smoked twice. We got 3 more options. All right, the marina's closed. Tahoe Dave's has got nothing. We got a bunch of more stops here though. Any Mountain at Tahoe, the great outdoor store. Come on, boys. Womp, womp, womp. Willard's?
You gonna go surfing?
Yeah.
See if we can find them.
What we got here?
Here's the dry suit.
We're in the game. PK, my man.
Thank you.
Absolute legend, brother. You just saved the day.
Have fun out there surfing.
Thank you, bro. Dude, boys and girls. Willards. Are we kidding me? I gotta switch cameras for this. Here we are, Willards at 170 North Lake Boulevard in Tahoe City, California. We got Dax Willard and PK Willard. The owners just came through, literally hooked it up so hard with a dry suit, which I've never even had before. And they've had the wetsuit for a long time, so they gave me a massive deal. Otherwise, I would not have been able to afford it. I would not have been able to get out there tomorrow. So I just want to give a huge, huge, huge shout out to Willard's Sports Shop here in North Lake Tahoe. I have never been this grateful. They got ski rentals, snowboard rentals. They're selling every type of gear that you could think of for skiing, for snowboarding. They got bikes hanging up, from goggles. They do rentals for surf equipment in the summer. Literally selling everything. All types of outdoor gear. I cannot thank you guys enough. If you're in the area, stop by, let them know I sent you, get a rental, show some support to the boys who are supporting the boys. I can't even believe it. I can't even fathom it. The gratitude is all time right now. Willard Sports Shop, PK and Dax, thank you so much. Now we just gotta go find some booties from somewhere and some gloves, and we're out there tomorrow. All right guys, we did it. Thanks to Drift, I found myself a pair of neoprene 5mm size 12 booties from Billabong, 40 bucks. We are so stoked. If you guys don't know who Ben Gravy is, go check out his YouTube channel. He's the reason that I started vlogging, and his surf game is absolutely mental. We're gonna be linking up tonight. He's coming up with JP O'Brien, who I've never met, which is gonna be sick as well. And we're getting in this water tomorrow. I don't know if you guys ever saw this past summer when I surfed Lake Tahoe, but hopefully it's anything like that. I'll show some clips right now. So heavy. This is a lake, and look at where we're at right now, guys. It's starting to nug up. Woo! That's nothing but good things coming. We got a massive 1 foot or 2 foot storm rolling in, and that just means there's gonna be a lot of wind, which means there's gonna be a lot of waves, and I couldn't be more stoked, couldn't be more hyped. I'm going back to the cribby right now. We're gonna get nutritized. We're gonna get some rest. So much love to all you guys. So much love for all the support, and for everybody who went and commented and left some good messages on that post on Instagram. We're still giving away that camera. Don't forget about it. So other than that, we're shutting this thing down so that we can make tomorrow as mental as it could possibly be. We'll see you then, for the dream, for the love, for the neck, for the boys.